In this video, we are going to descale our Nespresso Creatista coffee machine. I'm going to use the official Nespresso descaling kit. They have this YouTube link. I'm going to scan the QR code on their YouTube. It comes up with a whole myriad of Nespresso descaling videos. And because they make so many different models and makes of these Nespresso coffee makers, you've got to scroll through a whole bunch until you find the one that you have. And you may not know the make, model, and brand of your specific Nespresso. This could be a little bit challenging. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do this with the Nespresso app. Now, I previously posted a video of pairing or setting up my Nespresso Creatista Vertuo machine by Breville with the Nespresso app, and I will link to that down below so that you can see how to link your machine with the Nespresso app. I am going to assume you've watched that video, and I'm going to go straight into cleaning your machine with the app. Now, to get started, the first thing I would do is just open and close your machine. And that gets it out of that standby mode, that makes it active, and get your phone close to the machine so it's connected. And I may have to connect it with Bluetooth too. So sometimes I go over to the Bluetooth and I hit it on the Bluetooth. And from the Nespresso app homepage, you want to touch My Machine in the top right corner. Then I want to hit settings, and then I want to hit connected, and I am connected. But now I'm going to go into maintenance of the machine, and I'm going to hit descaling. And first of all, it wants you to buy a descaling kit. I've already done that here. It says it's going to take 22 minutes. I need a big container, and I need to start the process. I'm going to hit start process. It's going to connect to my machine. Excellent. So step one, fill the water tank with water up to the descale level and 2 units of descaling solution in the water tank. We're going to turn this around. Just want to show you right here, this is the mark here on the water tank, and this is where you want to have your water filled up to before you start the descaling process. Next, we'll take our Nespresso descaling kit and we will add the contents into our water tank. It comes with these two descaling agents. And now I have added 2 units of my descaling agent. Now you want to place a large container under the coffee outlet and steam wand. And I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to confirm the machine has no capsules, and I've unlocked and locked back the machine head. Okay, they just want to make sure it's... I'm going to confirm start. It's preparing my machine now. Press the steam button to start the descaling process. Descaling may take up to 12 minutes. All right, we'll let this run. Now we are to the rinsing process, and I'm going to go to rinse preparation. All right, so empty and rinse the water tank, then fill it with fresh drinkable water up to the max line. Next step is to empty and rinse the drip tray before putting it back in the machine. I have emptied out the drip tray, and I'm going to place my container underneath the coffee outlet and steam wand. And now I need to press the steam button again. Rinsing may take up to 10 minutes. All done. Water may have accumulated, so I need to dry everything, and I will do that. And I'm going to go back to my machine, and I'm going to get this all cleaned up. But that, in essence, is descaling my Nespresso with the app. It's great. The app sets it up. I don't have to press certain buttons. I just queue it up on my app. I hit the steam button, and it really did the whole process for me. So excellent. Thanks, Nespresso. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.